Okay, now the second part of the show is Patrick. There they are, the 3 generations. Patrick's gonna hitch this new house and take it from there. And he's gonna load it up to that area right there. All right, let's take a look at how he does this. Danny's gonna guide him. They're a great team together. Check this out. Great hand signals. Took Danny years to learn those signals. He went to university for learning that. Oh wow, on a dime, again. What does Patrick always say? This ain't my first rodeo. And then we take all of the pieces out from underneath the house, and then we're gonna load it over that. Well, he's gonna set up over there. And Robert's thanking our driver, Ron. Up there. Pat's patiently waiting. Okay, we're ready to roll. Here we go. This magnificent house going on the lot now. I don't think we can see a peek inside. It's full drywall, so it's pretty heavy. I'm not sure if that's a bathroom or a kitchen window there, but that's definitely the transom window over the bathtub. Look at these beautiful windows, they're huge. Oh, maybe I should move. Going up the ramp. Surveying the situation. They made a much stronger ramp this time. Sometimes they just use wood. This is the pad for the shed. Look how thick that concrete is. This foundation is really amazing. We still haven't finished the property. Okay, up and over. I think I'll step back over here. I'm gonna stand back here next to this pile of concrete piers that'll be set up underneath the steel beams under the house. So as I've explained other times, the foundation system is this amazing concrete foundation, and the steel undergirth of the house gives it amazing stability. And then we have a pretty extensive strapping system, pier system. It's Mr. Dolan surveying on one side, Danny helping on this side. Ron's gonna give his opinion. He's such an expert. It's kind of like a physics lesson. Let's see what Dan's he's giving him an idea what to do. Oh, mats. Yeah, the mats help. We bought these mats. We bought everyone at the factory just recently. And what it does is it gives us more stability when the ground is wet. So as you can see, it's been raining for a couple days. Well, you can't see that, but it's raining right this minute. And it keeps the ground from giving way under the weight. Mr. Dolan's, foresight to get all those mats to prepare for this type of situation. So that air conditioner here will be going to the end of the house. That way this man who bought this house will have a little side yard. There's the mat. Does the trick. Pat's very focused, not going to chat with me. I don't think he's ever given me an interview. Now he'd be someone that would be interesting to find out. He got involved with the family business when he was 17. He's a very hands-on kid. He's no kid anymore. Oh gosh, I met him when he was 3 years old, the same age as my 3-year-old, my grandson. And I was dating Mr. Dolan in college, and Pat was 3 years old, so I'm gonna say he's almost 38. Wow, time flies. Now I see my grandson's little feet jumping on the other side there. I don't know if you can see it. I hope his grandfather's nearby. Well, maybe I'll take a look around. I mean, walk around and get a different angle. Pretty cool. Oh, see the mats that they're putting down there? That's amazing. That'll give them better grip. See the ramp that they made? Yeah, so we'll take off these little wheels and store them underneath, and take off the hitch and store them underneath. But for all intents and purposes, the houses never move again. Going around. Those mats came in handy. Look at that. Okay, Lou, come with me. Up and over. Okay. We're gonna go past this house. Louie, come with Nana. Come with me. We're gonna go this way. Quick! Look at this pretty house. And we can watch from this side. Oh, nice. Isn't this amazing? He's got to watch all the stuff underneath him and behind him. Sometimes they drop it where it is and then they shimmy it again. Oh, Ron's really helpful. Pat's gonna sideswipe that pole. It takes a little while. That's a good question, Louie. What are you saying, honey?
His wheels are stuck in the dirt.
He's stuck in the dirt?
His two wheels.
His two wheels are stuck in the dirt?